My name is Tilos Madali. I'm the Director for Governmental Affairs and Communications at BMW Group South Africa. And today I have the honor of being at the Wits Arts Museum with the launch of Retrospective, when I knew I was good at painting. So the Art Car Collection globally brings art and design together for the BMW Group. So there have been many art cars. Andy Warhol, Jeff Koons are some of the artists that have done previous art cars for the BMW Group. This car was painted in 1991 by my Esther Mahlangu, and when it left South Africa, who would have known it would have taken more than 3 decades for this car to come home. So a proper homecoming right here at the Wits Arts Museum.
I'm Craig Mark. I'm the director of the Melrose Gallery, and we represent Dr. Esther Mahlangu globally. So Dr. Esther Mahlangu is 89 years old. She's from South Africa and she's from the Ndebele tribe.
My name is Ndebele. I am the curator of the exhibition. Then I knew I was good at painting. Esther Mahlangu, a retrospective. This fence around the house and the design at the of the bottom of is usually a tribute to the ancestral, because it is designs that she often talks about. This is what her mothers used to. And so one of the things that often you see in Esther's work is that there is this acknowledgement of generational engagement with the start of the base of the ancestral patterns, and then of course influencing that back to her own designs and style. It's an announcement of something big. And of course, it's always calling people to it. Here it is at the front of the exhibition. It's already signaling for a lot of people who have been so intrigued. When is the exhibition opening? Because the car has been announcing a big celebration.
So Mum Esther's art car has become one of the most loved art cars in the world, most recognizable. It's been to the British Museum. It was on the front cover of the catalogue for SA Art of a Nation, and it's toured museums all over the world.
So when the car left in 1991 from South Africa, it's been on a worldwide tour. My Esther spoke about the many countries that it's been to, the United States, and she mentioned all the cities that it was at as well.
When Mum Esther arrived here for a tour of the exhibition and she saw the car, she immediately started dancing, and she actually said hello to it. She actually greeted the car, hello.
And today it's here at Wits Arts Museum, and we celebrate this car as the iconic 525i that it is.